entrepreneurs. Have you ever heard how Zomato makes money? Or have you ever learned in somewhere how Zomato makes money? So in this video we are going to see how Zomato makes money. This is Darshan. Welcome to Business Grown with Darshan. Before getting into topic, if you are Instagram, kindly follow me in Instagram at Tarun Darshan. If you are new to this channel, kindly do a subscribe and raise your thumbs up button. So let's see how Zomato makes money. Zomato earned 1,397 crores of revenue in FY18. Zomato's advertisement revenue model says that never put all your eggs in single basket. The term will clearly identify us and clarify us. Restaurant advertisement. Zomato get their advertisement through the list of sponsorships, and they will ask the restaurant to sponsors on their websites to get improvement of their hotels and restaurants to get away of it. So this is the number one revenue making of Zomato. So number two, food delivery. Actually, Zomato earns some commission from the restaurant in the case to exchange of food from restaurant to customers. So in this way, from the restaurants, it's again earn the commissions. So, number three, Zomato Pro. If you want to be part of Zomato community, you have to pay certain monies. For example, a 5 to 6 restaurants is there. They want to be in a Zomato's community so that the people will order the food from Zomato. So it's have a Zomato Pro. For being a Zomato Pro is also being including in other features that the subscribers also get special discount, a fast delivery, and lot of discounts and offers. So that actually, if a guy want to start a restaurant, suppose I am starting a restaurant. If I want to know how to start a restaurant, I don't know exactly what a place I have to start. So I'm going for Zomato and asking them, kindly please help me. So they will charge certain amounts and say that in this place you have to start this much customers you will get, this much will be your turnover. All the ideas will be given for them. So this is also way of the how Zomato makes money out of it. So number 5 is food tickets. So selling of tickets. Don't think that it is a cinema ticket or anything else. It is nothing but selling of tickets from the food festival. So a lot of festival will be there, food festivals. If you want to get entering into food festival, you have to pay certain amount of it. So through food festival, it's earn around so lot of money. So the turnover according to FY19 is 1,379 crores. Just imagine it, how it's making out of it. So if this video is so useful to you, kindly do subscribe to my channel, add a thumbs up button, share to all the future entrepreneurs. I'm always available 24/7 in Instagram. Kindly don't forget to me follow in Instagram at Tarun Darshan for more business stuff. Thank you so much.